AC gang in the cut, and this is Scary Sight. Ah! It's your girl, Sight, and I'm back at it, giving another epic video. Stop playing with me. Anyways, so, you already know by the title I'm about to do. I'm about to go monkey, ask pretty girls or whoever, any female, like, yo, just ask them questions and act like I'm writing them down, whatever, and then, like, you trying to join the prostitute, we down in New York getting busy, you feel me? Just to see their reaction, just to see how they feel, do they feel disrespected, you know what I'm saying? If you think you like this video or you just support me in general, if you support me, give this video a big thumbs up. If you mess with me, like, you my friend, you watching this, you close to me, you know me personally in person, make sure you comment down below or fire. Yeah, right. I don't like monkey because I always see some noise.
Hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
So, can I ask you 3 questions?
You wanna ask me 3 questions?
Duh, yeah.
What the fuck? For sure, whatever.
Anyway, so listen, I'm from the Bronx, right? I'm from New York, right? Personally.
Yeah.
And we looking for some recruits or something, but I need to know this. So, are you tall?
Yeah.
You could dress, like, you could get fly, like, you know?
Hell yeah.
And do you know how to fight, like, whoop somebody's ass?
Yeah.
So listen, this might sound a little stupid, this might sound crazy, but look, we in New York, we getting big bread from this. Cause you know how big it is. It's a nice place. A lot of people be there. You know, you feel me? We celebrate everybody. Listen, we looking for recruits, for pimps. You trying to be a pimp? Make somebody sell some ass on the street?
If you show me that ass, I was.
No. I should have. I know what he was planning on doing with that towel, but now, come on.
What's up?
Girl.
I got a mask on.
Hey.
Why you got a mask on?
Because you know these little pervs. Let me. Can I ask you 3 questions though? Like, bro, like this is important. Like writing down type. Ain't nothing crazy. It's a little simple.
Okay.
All right. Can you dress like you could get fly?
Yeah.
Are you tall?
Yes.
Can you whoop somebody ass, like knock a bitch out?
Yes, that's what MMA trains.
Okay, as the fuck you should. Anyways, look at that. So we down in New York, right? We get busy, right? You feel me? And we got something going on. You can make easy money, like big money, big bread. You feel me? You tryna help me be a little pimp, like help me like get these bitch, you know, prostitute type shit. You down? Fucking stunning. You're up?
Why you got some mask on?
I can't have a mask? No, I had a mask on because little perverty pervs wanna have that little thing and a camera. And I wanna make sure they don't see my face before I take it off. Is it a motherfucking problem? Anyways, can I ask you like a little 3 questions? Nothing.
Wait, let me ask you first. How old are you? You snapping at me like that. You don't know I like that. Right?
All right, my bad. I'm gonna take my tongue to a 2, a little 2.
Yeah. Right. Talk to me. What you about to say?
Anyways, so look, we down in New York, right? I need to just ask you a little simple 3 questions. You feel me? A little 3. You gotta tell me if you know. All right, so you could dress like you get fly, like you get flee. You feel me? You could do that. Okay.
You saying like just in general, right?
Yeah, like you get fly.
Yes. I don't wear regular jeans though.
What kind of jeans you wear?
Like stacks.
Okay, as the fuck you should see. Look, you can dress.
Okay, so yeah, you can. I'm about to say some people think that's weird, but
nah, that's fly. All right, another question is, how tall are you?
5'8", I'm short.
That's not even the problem. Or what else? What's the other question I had to think? Oh yeah, can you fight? Like you can whoop a nigga ass.
I can't. I'm not supposed to fight.
Like if you had to, like you know, self-defense.
I used to box.
All right, so you could whoop a nigga ass then.
I
So look,
shoot now, though.
shit, you what you gotta do. You feel me?
Or stab. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I got one too. You feel me? Gotta keep it on you. Anyway, so this all comes down to, like, let me see your results, right? Look, so we down in New York, right? And you might probably think I'm joking or whatever. Listen, I'm serious. Easy money. You a boy, you defend yourself, you dress. Listen, we got baddie, like 20 baddies, like prostitutes, and I need help pimping them out.
Damn. Wait, can you do me a favor?
What up?
Why you still got your mask on? I don't have COVID. Like, but what if I don't want them?
Listen, you don't have. Listen, you don't even got to want them.
You don't get what I'm getting at.
What's up?
What if I wanted you?
You don't even know me in real life.
I ain't saying like once you like come here grab you. No, I'm saying what if I'm interested in you? I got you.
Alright. Nice meeting you. Alright, he was cool. He was cool. He was alright.
Fuck that bitch. No, not you.
Oh, I was about to say, but goddamn, can I low? It's your girl, it's deciding on this beat.
Friends ain't friends, once you see they true colors. Nobody got your back if they wasn't real brothers. Blood until you die for, friends until you choose to ride for.